How's it going, my friends? It's Flop and Groper, September 4th, August 2024. Bitcoin's having a hard time overcoming its 5-day declining simple moving average. Now, we just had this ungodly pump that liquidated a bunch of shorts, kicked a lot of shorts out of the market. But we come up to these levels up here, and in the VIP Discord, I was quick to say that this is a false rally. The reason why I knew that is because we are under a declining 5-day simple. If we were over or under an ascending 5-day simple moving average, I would be a lot more bullish and in favor of an extended uptrend. But given that we have this declining black area here, and we're also under so many of these critical anchors, I cast a doubt on this pump, and happy to see it come down here. I'm happy to see Bitcoin plunge back into the area of the 5-day simple. Now, it is possible that Bitcoin clings to this 5-day simple and we do get some sort of flattening out around here and an eventual retrace up. But a lot of things have to happen before that happens. What's more likely is that we simply continue down lower and you see an extended downtrend under the declining 5-day simple, similar to what happened over here or over here. Just expect some choppiness as the 5-day simple seems like it wants to flatten out a little bit. And in terms of some of these higher time frames, the 12-hour looks like we're getting a camel toe Harris bull div on the 12-hour potentially. The daily does seem like maybe it could turn over a little bit. But your 3-day, 4-day, weekly, 2-weekly, and monthly are all fanned strongly to the downside. So if I was a betting man, I would say that we're just going to keep dumping. Overall, you've got this big downward sloping megaphone pattern, this parabolic down with the lows. It's still important to get a good entry, so you can't just FOMO in anywhere. You will get pumped on, you will get pushed out of the market. You have to select good opportunities. Select a major macro anchored VWAP. Look at the wave reading. What are the waves saying? What's the simple moving average saying? Try to get in at a good price around the intraday VWAP, either above it or as the price is slipping below. But as you guys know, I've had a bearish bias for a while. It was a while since I put out an update just because, I don't know, I've been recording videos and then I watch them and I'm like, meh, I don't really want to post this. So I haven't really had much to say, much to share that I'm proud of last few days, but I'm happy to come out tonight feeling pizzazzed, feeling back in my element. But we have been in this consistent downtrend where that August anchor, you know, in my last update, I was saying how I'm short from that August anchor, and that short played out really good. And it even gave us a second opportunity to short. So right now, 59K is very stiff resistance for Bitcoin. And even 57,893, this new September VWAP, is an issue. Although I would say that the price has been swiveling around it, you know, up and down, up and down. So September's been choppy and volatile. But overall, we are still in this downtrend. So be careful about bull divs. Bull divs do play out, just not how you expect. See, you get the lower low, the higher low, and so that's a textbook bull div. But then it just leads to a little bearish trigger wave and then more downside. So I think we're more prudent to look at the waves above the zero line. You know, read those bearish readings. If a bearish reading rolls through, you have to respect it. And as a bear. You know, hopefully we get this pump going, because right now you see a sideways down kind of price structure. We haven't really seen the parabolic down, the spiking down that we love to see when Bitcoin dumps. And so we're still seeing this sideways down. It's not really wet in my beak, even though the price action is crazy and the gains have been decent. But this downtrend really hasn't started yet, in my opinion. We're still clinging to this range here, and we still have yet to plunge into that deeper retracement from the low. Just seems like something that's so needed. Just dump down to 55 or 52.3 or any of these deeper retracements down here. Retest of the low would be nice. And yeah, that's about where I'm at. So Jesus Take the Wheel, code JTTW, 30% off, or rather it's 25% off, sorry. 25% off Market Cipher. If you click the link in my description below, get the indicators for yourself, 25% off, code JTTW. And you guys have a great night.